Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to show you how to install a ZL1 Add-Ons tow hook, and the vehicle is going to be a 2015 Camaro. Should be the same for 16 and other years. Comes with the block that you're going to screw into. Also comes with a little template. Now the reason it comes with that block is because the crash bar that you're going to screw this tow hook into does not have a hole and it does not have threads. So now let's walk over to the car and show you where this is going to go. So first step is of course to pop off the little cap on the bumper, and as you can see there's no hole, so we're going to pop this chip in that circle, and you're going to want to make sure that the horizontal line that's on this chip is horizontal with the car and that the words top are at the top. So the next step would be to make some pilot holes with a small drill bit, and then you're going to want to step up to a bigger size. You can use a step drill like the one we have here. It has a couple different sizes, so it's pretty convenient. And you're going to be drilling two holes, one 3/16 and one 3/4. Next, you're going to be installing the shaft end of threaded part. And this is the view from behind with the wheel and the fender liner removed. You're going to squeeze, you can see the hole right there. So you're going to squeeze the aluminum block that's included with the kit right into that gap between the two beams of the crash bar. And when you come around, you can see the threads through the hole. Now, when the shaft threaded into the block, you can tighten that up with a 17mm. And then you can just simply thread in the tow hook into the shaft. And you can actually have either side showing, the part that says tow or the part that says ZL1 Add-Ons. That's up to you. And I finish up with the adjusting nut to tighten it up so that it's not loose once you have the right length, and you're all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.